Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about wireless networks used in the real-time world. So I have my partner here. His name is Khadir and he is taking my video presentation right now. And my name is Ashok Babu Somepalli. I'm going to present the video presentation. So I just come to real-time scenarios. Wireless networks can be used in anywhere in the real world today. So I thought of so many topics, but I took the very generous topic in the real world, that is a pollution. So we have different types of pollutions: gas pollution, water pollution, earth pollution, and everything. So in that way, we have only four pollution types. For that pollution types, for that pollution problems, I'm going to explain how wireless networks we can use it to detect the pollution problems. So in which the first one is uh, air pollution. So as of now, we already know how we can get the pollution. Pollution is one of the major concern against the world today. Today itself, we know everyone knows it very well. According to pollution, uh, the pollution can be the form of chemical substances or energies such as noise, heat, or light. The components which causes pollution are known as pollutants. These pollutants can be either foreign substances or energies or contaminants which are occurring naturally. So we have four types of pollutions here: water pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, and soil pollution. So first comes to air pollution. Air pollution is when we have harmful substances included in air. Generally, harmful substances are included in the atmosphere of Earth. This causes diseases or allergies to human being and even cause of death. So various pollutants include in the air pollution are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxides, and nitrogen oxides, and etc. Sources may be man-made or natural. So although there are control and measures available to follow, so we have introduced solution to air pollution in this case by using wireless networks, by using some Ethernet as well. So the solution I am proposing by using wireless networks today is to display of real-time air quality reading in the near surrounding. The solution will make use of Arduino board. Arduino Shield means it will use Ethernet and it will access the Ethernet and it will measure the type of pollutants in the air. So for power supply, we can use a battery. For cloud service, we can use AWS. AWS, you already know AWS. So various sensors used for particle pollution, gas sensor, temperature, and humidity sensor. So particle pollution sensor. Particle pollution sensor is also known as particulate matter. This is a mixture of solid particle and liquid particles present in the air. The PM 2.5 or PM 10 needs to be connected across Arduino board, as we already discussed about Arduino board before. This sensor uses principle of scattering of light in air. The sensor can detect suspended matter in the environment. So data collected in the sensor is reliable as well as stable because we are using that Arduino board. So SDS 011 sensor needs to be connected to UART port of Arduino board. So there is a part UART port in the Arduino board. We have to connect SDS 011 sensor, which we can use to particle pollution sensor detection. So gas sensor. the gas sensor that will be used in MQ135. The sensitive material is this sensor is tin dioxide. Tin dioxide's conductivity increase with increase in concentration. The change is converted to output voltage signal according to the concentration of combustible gas. The change is converted the sensor is highly sensitive to smoke and other harmful gases. The sensor means we are using MQ135 here to detect a gas, to detect other smokes and harmful gases in the gas. This is low gas sensor which is applicable to different applications. The output of sensor is applied to analog input of Arduino board. So coming to temperature and humidity sensor. This is a composite type of sensor because it senses temperature as well as humidity. The sensor gives output of temperature and humidity in digital form. The output of this sensor is connected to pin 5 of the board. This sensor includes two different components. One is humidity measurement component and second one is NTC temperature measurement component. The price is so high as compared to performance when we are using temperature and humidity sensor. So power supply and additional features of using temperature and humidity sensor is a 12-volt battery or power supply needs to be provided to detect pollution in temperature or humidity by using temperature and humidity sensor. When the whole system is turned on, it will take around 1 minute before fully functioning of gas sensor. It is recommended to place the circuit in box and then place to test. Additional alarm be applied for control of the whole system. The example can be of two devices but can add more devices as per the requirement. So coming to Ethernet shield, there already I said about Arduino board. For we have to protect the Arduino board with Ethernet shield. So this allows communication between Arduino and internet. So that means Arduino board and internet. With the help of this shield, Arduino board can send or receive the data across the globe. So we can find how much pollution is there around the world. So this needs an active internet connection. So for an active internet connection, we need a protocol which is a Zigbee protocol. The Zigbee standard for getting internet access is Zigbee 8 no, IEEE and 802.15.4 standard. The Zigbee used for high level communication protocol. Zigbee will be used in this case of developing personal area network, which means PAN. Zigbee is low power, low data rate and near communication protocol. The range of Zigbee is 10 to 100 meters. So Zigbee will form WPAN, wireless personal area network, from Arduino board to individual. Application of Zigbee ranges from home automation to industrial automation where low rate and short communication is required. Zigbee power consumption is very low. Zigbee also provides secure communication through encryption, and Zigbee module needs to connect transceiver, receiver, and VCC and GND. So this is how we can measure all the pollutions by using wireless networks and different parts of wireless devices which we use. So this is my presentation today about use of wireless networks in the real-time world problems and to find a solution. Thank you everyone.